Realme has just unveiled two more mid-range cell phones that boast a lot of ruggedness. No matter when you hear this, they are the new realme V70 and V70s. Both feature 672-inch displays, full HD resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate. They also offer ultra-high dimming for a much more comfortable view when using low brightness. And as for the processors, the Realme V70 includes the Dimensity 6300, while the V70s features the Dimensity 6800 Plus, both of which are manufactured in the same way as the Realme V70, and the Realme V70s features the Dimensity 6800 Plus, both of which are manufactured in the same way, in a 6nm process. They can have up to 8 GB of physical RAM depending on how they are configured, with dynamic RAM expansion reaching up to 16 GB, which is not very useful. And they also come with 256 GB of storage. They feature 50-50 megapixel main cameras with a technology supposedly called Magic Depth AI. This sounds impressive, but it probably just means it will attempt to detect depth using artificial intelligence. It would definitely be necessary to thoroughly test their effectiveness. They also come with ultra-powerful speakers that integrate an additional 300% gain mode. This feature sounds very appealing in terms of marketing, but it would certainly have to be put to the test to see if it holds up. The batteries are 5,000 mAh, which can provide up to 10 hours of continuous video playback according to Realme's figures, or up to 80 hours of music playback. Both of these devices have a reinforced body with aluminum frames, a feature that stands out for a low mid-range device. They also boast military-level resistance, which is quite impressive. They feature drops of 2 meters and possess an IP64 rating, allowing them to be submerged in shallow water for brief periods. Additionally, they incorporate technology for recognizing wet hands. These devices will come in both black and green colors. The Realme V70 is priced at a launch rate of 1,199 yuan, which translates to approximately $166. However, keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there. Meanwhile, the V70s begins at 1,499 yuan, which is about $208. Again, remember that prices here are not the same as over there. In this place, they differ from those over there. I would be truly interested to find out if anyone is planning to learn the entire current Mi catalog, which boasts an impressive variety of series and special lines. The V series, for instance, has been introduced in China. It's fascinating to see how they feature the V series, the C series, the namesake series, and the GT series, and still manage to add an X to some of their variants. Well, it's truly a mess. Honestly, I am not a fan of the strategy they're adopting. It strongly reminds me of what Xiaomi did years ago, releasing a new phone every few years. However, Realme takes it a step further by launching two phones.